Are you torn between the Asus Vivobook Pro 16X OLED and the HP Envy x360 16? Both are solid 16-inch laptops, but which one gives you the best value in 2025? Stick around till the end because we're diving deep into performance, editing power, and gaming. And by the time we're done, you'll know which laptop is the real winner. Links for the latest prices and deals are in the description, and don't forget to like the video, it really helps me out. The Asus Vivobook Pro 16X OLED and HP Envy x360 16 take different approaches to design and build quality, catering to distinct user needs. The Vivobook Pro 16X embraces an industrial aesthetic with a durable black chassis and a more utilitarian feel. While not the flashiest laptop, it's built to withstand rigorous use, even passing military-grade durability tests. The HP Envy x360 16, on the other hand, opts for a sleeker, more refined look with a smooth gray finish and an edge-to-edge glass display. While both feel sturdy, its chassis has slightly more flex compared to the more rigid build of the Vivobook. However, the Envy is noticeably lighter at 3.9 pounds, making it easier to carry around compared to the 4.19-pound Vivobook. When it comes to ports and connectivity, the Vivobook Pro 16X offers more versatility, especially for creators and power users. It features Thunderbolt 4 ports, a full-size SD card reader, an HDMI 2.1 port, and an RJ45 Ethernet port, making it a more well-rounded choice for those who need high-speed external storage, multiple displays, or wired internet access. The HP Envy x360 16, being powered by an AMD processor, lacks Thunderbolt 4 support, and instead provides two USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 ports, which are limited to 10 gigabits per second speeds. It also includes two USB-A ports and an HDMI 2.1 port, which is useful for external display connections. While both laptops have solid port selections, the Vivobook Pro 16X is better suited for professionals needing high-speed connectivity, whereas the Envy x360 16 focuses more on everyday productivity. Both laptops feature stunning OLED displays, but they cater to different needs. The Vivobook boasts a 3.2K resolution with 100% DCI P3 color gamut coverage, Pantone certification, and a peak brightness of 600 nits, making it ideal for content creators who require precise color accuracy. Its deep blacks and high contrast ratio enhance visuals, though its glossy finish can be reflective in certain lighting conditions. On the other hand, the Envy x360 has a slightly lower 2.8K resolution, but maintains excellent color accuracy with 100% sRGB and P3 coverage, along with a 120 Hz refresh rate that provides smoother motion for scrolling and animations. Its peak brightness of 415 nits is lower than the Vivobook's, but it remains vibrant enough for indoor use. While both displays are excellent, the Vivobook leans toward professional creative work, while the Envy x360 balances quality with fluid usability. Typing and navigation experiences differ significantly between these two laptops. The Vivobook Pro 16X features a well-spaced ErgoSense keyboard with slightly concave keys, designed for comfortable and efficient typing during long sessions. It also includes a full-sized numpad, catering to users who frequently input numerical data. Its large trackpad stands out with an integrated virtual dial pad, a feature that enhances workflow for creatives by providing quick access to functions in Adobe apps and other software. The Envy x360 16, while offering a comfortable keyboard with well-spaced keys, lacks the refinements found in HP's more premium Spectre line. The trackpad, though generously sized, is mechanical rather than haptic and suffers from inconsistent click responses due to the diving board effect, where clicks feel less responsive near the top edge. While both laptops provide a solid typing experience, the Vivobook's dial pad integration and more refined key design give it an edge for professional work. Battery performance is an area where the Envy x360 has a clear advantage. Despite having a high-resolution OLED screen, it manages to last over 11 hours in tests, thanks to the power efficiency of its AMD Ryzen 7 8840HS processor and dynamic refresh rate switching between 60 Hz and 120 Hz. This makes it a strong option for those needing extended unplugged use. In contrast, the Vivobook Pro 16X, even with its large 90 watt-hour battery, struggles to push past 6 hours due to the high-performance Intel Core i9-13980HX processor and NVIDIA RTX 4060 GPU, which consumes significantly more power. While the Vivobook delivers top-tier performance, it's clear that its power-hungry hardware comes at the cost of battery longevity, making it more dependent on a charger during intensive workloads. Both laptops cater to different user needs, particularly in terms of processing power, content creation capabilities, and gaming performance. The Vivobook Pro 16X stands out as a powerhouse for demanding workloads, featuring an Intel Core i9-13980HX processor with 24 cores, including 8 performance cores and 16 efficient cores, capable of reaching a 5.6 GHz turbo frequency. This makes it highly efficient for intensive tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and multitasking, providing significantly higher raw computing power than the HP Envy x360 which is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 8840HS. While the Ryzen 7 chip delivers solid performance for general productivity and everyday multitasking, it cannot match the brute force of the Core i9's high core count and clock speeds, especially in multi-threaded applications. For creative professionals, the Vivobook Pro 16X offers a serious advantage in editing performance. Its NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU with a total graphics power of 150W enhances video rendering and graphic-intensive tasks, making it a solid choice for professionals working with Adobe Premiere Pro, Photoshop, or DaVinci Resolve. The OLED display with Pantone certification and 100% DCI-P3 coverage ensures color accuracy, which is crucial for professional editing. The HP Envy x360 on the other hand, relies on integrated AMD Radeon graphics, which, while sufficient for basic photo editing and light video work, lacks the power needed for complex rendering tasks or high-resolution video projects. The Envy's OLED display is also high quality, covering 100% of the P3 color gamut, but it does not come with the same level of professional color calibration as the Vivobook. When it comes to gaming, the Vivobook Pro 16X is the clear winner. Its RTX 4060 GPU enables smooth frame rates in modern titles, allowing gamers to enjoy AAA games with high settings and ray tracing support. Benchmarks for games like Shadow of the Tomb Raider and Metro Exodus confirm its capability as a gaming laptop in addition to being a creative workstation. Meanwhile, the HP Envy x360 is not built for gaming beyond casual or indie titles. The integrated Radeon graphics struggle with demanding 3D games, limiting performance to lower settings and resolutions. While the Envy x360 excels in battery life and overall efficiency, it cannot compete with the Vivobook Pro 16X OLED's raw power in editing and gaming scenarios. So, which laptop should you buy in 2025? If you need raw power for editing, gaming, and demanding workloads, the Asus Vivobook Pro 16X OLED is the clear winner with its Intel Core i9 and RTX 4060 GPU. But if you want better battery life, a sleek design, and a great OLED display for everyday use, the HP Envy x360 is a solid choice.